After setting up your SOLIDWORKS all-in-one account, you will need to register your products through the customer portal. If your customer portal is currently showing padlocks, restricting access to everything, this process should remove them. Go to the SOLIDWORKS customer portal and log in. Once logged in, select Register My Products. Registering your products will give you access to download products that your serial number entitles you to. You will also be able to access other areas such as the knowledge base. Next, you will be prompted to enter your serial number. If you have more than one, just repeat this process for each, as you can only enter one at a time. Click Next. On the next screen, select the small search icon within the box. It is important to select the most up-to-date product here, even if you are downloading an old version. Choosing an older version here can cause issues with accessing downloads. So, we are selecting 2020 as this is the latest version. Click Next and your products should have been registered. Now we can go back to the home screen and should have access to all the relevant areas such as downloads and updates. If necessary, repeat the process for any other licenses you have. It is worth noting that you must be on an active subscription in order to access the downloads through the customer portal. If you are unsure, you can see this information near the top of the page.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award-winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.